Look, if you think modern car ownership is expensive because cars are just complicated now, that's the myth costing people thousands. The real damage happens quietly. Signal leakage, polymer degradation, electrical resistance, UV-driven oxidation. Miss those and you pay later. Fix them early and you stay ahead. That's what this video is about. Stay with me because each hack only works properly if you understand the one after it. Let's start where most thefts actually begin. Hack number 15. Cover key fob with foil. If you're still leaving your key fob on the kitchen counter, you're effectively broadcasting a radio frequency beacon. Modern keyless entry systems emit a low-power RF signal that can be captured, amplified, and relayed. This is relay theft. Thieves don't touch your car. They extend your fob signal through walls, spoof proximity authentication, and unlock the vehicle silently. Aluminum foil works because it creates a basic Faraday cage, blocking electromagnetic transmission and preventing signal amplification. No signal, no relay attack. Pro tip, this also reduces parasitic drain on the fob's lithium coin cell, extending battery life by months. But here's the catch. Blocking theft is useless if your vehicle isn't visible and safe once they move on, which brings us directly to hack number 14. Hack number 14. Baking soda for taillights. Foggy taillights aren't old plastic, they're clear coat oxidation caused by UV degradation and surface contamination. Sodium bicarbonate acts as a mild abrasive, mechanically decontaminating the polycarbonate surface without cutting into the substrate. You're removing oxidized polymer, not the lens itself. The reason this matters is visibility. Rear light diffusion drops dramatically when oxidation scatters light. After cleaning, seal the surface with wax or a polymer sealant to reduce surface tension and slow future oxidation. This only works long-term if moisture and grime aren't being reintroduced from under the hood, which leads straight into hack number 13. Hack number 13. Spray WD-40 in engine bay. WD-40 isn't a lubricant, it's a water-displacing solvent. That matters because moisture causes galvanic corrosion on battery terminals and increases electrical resistance across connectors. A light application displaces water, breaks corrosion bonds, and protects exposed metal from oxidation. Clean terminals improve voltage stability during cold starts, often resolving weak battery symptoms without replacing anything. Conditioned rubber hoses also resist ozone cracking and thermal cycling. Preventative chemistry beats reactive repairs every time. But cold weather creates another failure point you see every winter, and that's why hack number 12 exists. Hack number 12. Socks and windshield wipers. Frozen wipers fail due to elastomer brittleness and mechanical overloading. When rubber freezes to glass, activating the motor tears the wiping edge and stresses the linkage. Socks create a thermal and moisture barrier, preventing ice adhesion and preserving rubber flexibility. Extend blade life, reduce motor strain, and eliminate premature failure. This matters because clear visibility is useless if your windshield is still iced over, which is where hack number 11 completes the system. Hack number 11. Rubbing alcohol as windshield deicer. Isopropyl alcohol lowers water's freezing point by disrupting hydrogen bonding. A 2-to-1 alcohol-to-water mix melts ice on contact and evaporates quickly, preventing refreeze. Use it proactively at night to inhibit frost formation entirely. It also clears frozen locks and washer nozzles by dissolving ice internally. Clear glass plus functional wipers equals safe driving, but theft prevention still matters, which is why hack number 10 stacks on top of everything so far. Hack number 10. Lock steering wheel with bar. A steering wheel lock is visual deterrence and mechanical immobilization. Thieves operate on time efficiency. Visible resistance increases risk, so they move on. Bonus effect most people miss, it reduces static load on the steering column when parked on inclines, minimizing long-term wear on steering components. less play, fewer misdiagnosed loose steering upsells, visibility, safety, and mechanical preservation in one device. Now that you're protected, let's fix a daily hazard people ignore. Hack number 9. Secret Sun Visor Extended. Your visor is designed with a secondary rotational axis. Unclip it and rotate sideways to block lateral glare during low-angle solar incidents. Sun glare causes contrast loss and reaction delay. This isn't comfort, it's safety. Using built-in equipment avoids aftermarket films that alter visible light transmission and can violate regulations. Control glare correctly and you drive safer without modifying glass. Parking safely comes next, which leads perfectly into hack number 8. Hack number 8. Tennis ball on garage trick. This is analog precision. A fixed physical reference eliminates depth perception errors entirely. Unlike ultrasonic sensors, a suspended tennis ball doesn't drift, misread angles, or fail electronically. Zero calibration, infinite lifespan. It also trains spatial awareness for new drivers. Perfect stops means fewer bumper impacts, fewer alignment issues, and less cosmetic damage that usually starts with poor interior habits, which is why hack number 7 matters. Hack number 7. Wet wipes on steering wheel for protection. Steering wheel degradation is chemical. Skin oils, salts, and UV exposure accelerate polymer breakdown and surface cracking. Regular cleaning removes contaminants before they initiate material failure. This reduces gloss loss, tackiness, and structural fatigue. Treat high-touch surfaces the same way, and your interior ages years slower. Clean interiors also improve air quality, which makes hack number 6 far more effective. Hack number 6. Clean car AC with slime. Vent contamination restricts airflow and increases blower load. Slime physically extracts debris through adhesion, reaching complex vent geometries vacuums miss. Improved airflow means better evaporator efficiency and reduced microbial odor. Many mold diagnoses are just particulate buildup. Remove the contamination first before paying for invasive services. Proper airflow also prevents fogging issues, setting up hack number 5. Hack number 5. Secret wiper maintenance button. Wiper's service mode disengages the resting torque on the linkage, preventing mechanical stress during wiper changes or winter storage. Forcing wipers damages motors and pivots, failures that look random but are entirely preventable. Use the system as designed and nothing breaks. Mechanical sympathy matters, especially when neglected hinges start talking, which is hack number 4. Hack number 4. WD-40 on hood hinges. Metal-on-metal friction causes fretting corrosion and accelerated wear. A quick application reduces friction coefficients instantly, restoring smooth articulation. Do this on doors, trunk, and fuel flaps. Noise is the warning stage. Ignore it and you pay later. Prevention keeps systems quiet and intact, just like hack number 3 keeps your vision clear. Hack number 3. Shaving cream on windshield. Shaving cream leaves a surfactant film that reduces surface tension, preventing moisture from condensing into fog. This is physics, not magic. It's an anti-fog coating that lasts weeks and outperforms many commercial products. Fog-free glass equals instant visibility without HVAC overuse. Tight spaces still cause stress, though, which is why hack number 2 exists. Hack number 2. Summon your car. Many vehicles already include remote movement or auto park features tied to smart keys or apps. These systems use ultrasonic sensors and low-speed drive control to reposition the car safely. Learning built-in features prevents unnecessary aftermarket installs that add complexity and failure points. Master what you own before buying more. Finally, there's one feature everyone should know because it can save a life. Hack number 1. Hidden emergency trunk release. Federal law requires an internal glow-in-the-dark trunk release on all post-2002 vehicles. It bypasses external latch failure and provides emergency egress. It also saves you from unnecessary latch replacements when the external mechanism fails. Knowledge here isn't optional, it's safety critical. If even one of these changed how you think about your car, you belong in this channel. This isn't casual car content, it's a higher maintenance standard. Subscribe if you want to operate your vehicle like an informed owner, not an upsell target. Drop a comment with the hack you never knew existed and watch the next video because the mistakes mechanics profit from start where this one ends.